Launching your nonprofit in Kansas, a comprehensive guide. Embarking on the journey to establish a nonprofit organization in Kansas can be both rewarding and challenging. This guide will walk you through the essential steps, requirements, and considerations to ensure a smooth and successful process. A nonprofit corporation is a legal entity formed for a purpose that benefits the public good rather than seeking profit. In Kansas, nonprofit incorporation is governed by state law, which outlines specific procedures and requirements. The first step is to choose a unique name for your nonprofit that complies with Kansas state laws and is not already in use by another organization. Once you've selected a name, you'll need to appoint individuals to serve as incorporators and establish the initial board of directors. These individuals will sign the Articles of Incorporation, a legal document that outlines your nonprofit's purpose, structure, and operations. Next, you'll need to obtain a registered agent, a person or entity located in Kansas who will receive legal documents on behalf of your nonprofit. Then, prepare and file the Articles of Incorporation with the Kansas Secretary of State, along with a filing fee. After filing the Articles of Incorporation, you'll need to obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. This is a unique identifier used for tax purposes and other legal matters. You'll also need to develop a set of bylaws, which govern your nonprofit's internal operations, including board meetings, elections, and financial management. To qualify for tax-exempt status, you'll need to file IRS Form 1023. This form requests 501(c)(3) tax-exempt status, which allows you to receive donations tax-free and avoid paying corporate income tax. In addition to federal tax exemption, you may also need to register for state tax accounts. The Kansas Department of Revenue will determine if your nonprofit is subject to sales tax, withholding tax, or other taxes. Finally, if you plan to solicit donations, you may need to register with the Kansas Attorney General's office to comply with state regulations. The incorporation process can take several weeks or months, depending on the complexity of your application and any additional requirements. It's advisable to consult with an attorney or accountant specializing in nonprofit law to ensure compliance and maximize your organization's effectiveness. After incorporation, your nonprofit must adhere to various legal and regulatory obligations, including filing annual reports, maintaining accurate records, and complying with tax laws. Starting a nonprofit in Kansas is a rewarding endeavor that can make a positive impact on your community. By carefully following the steps outlined in this guide and seeking professional advice when needed, you can successfully establish your nonprofit and achieve your mission. Want to learn more? Check out our bio to get a comprehensive guide on starting a nonprofit in Kansas.